One of the fastest growing regions, MENA's many valuable resources make it a prime market for almost any company. But its inaccessibility keeps companies from creating the footholds they need to reach this vast network of customers. The solution for companies committed to thriving in this region lies in its very heart, with Jordan and its people. With a prime central location, it's the perfect access point for them to form strong local relationships throughout. Jordan, with its moderate culture, enjoys friendly relations and mutual trust with a vast network of countries, and has a particularly close cultural affinity with Levant and Gulf countries. Speaking the dialect most easily understood by all Arabic speakers, companies can reach out to this valuable market, knowing their messages will be clear and well received. Jordan has proven to be a breeding ground for talents in fields that are highly in demand, often even essential for making a business work. A highly skilled, educated and bilingual workforce is the perfect resource for back-office operations necessary for every business's success. Jordan, with its safe and business-friendly environment, has long reaped rewards from investing in its people and fostering a culture of entrepreneurship, thereby providing global partners looking to expand into regional markets access to a growing network of Arab talent and innovative ideas. Jordan is the link between global companies and an incredibly resource-rich region. Ambitious companies are investing in a country that offers the skilled people they want, the stability they need, and the strong relationships within the region that create foundations for a successful future. The question is, will you join them?